Hello friends, this is Bhavatosh here. Welcome back to my channel Perfect Analyst. So today we came up with another DAX functions problems. Here the problem is to find out last year, month or quarter sales data from the data that is given to you. So if you have any Power BI data sets with table having product sales with category, so find out the category wise total sales for last 12 months or quarter. It means that if you have a data set where you have the sheet with category, product subcategories, you have for each product ID, customer ID. So if you will be asked to find out the sum of sales from last 12 months, so how you are going to do? If it is only sum of sales, you can use the formula very straightforward. If you will take the product category and if you will also take the sum of sales, you will get the total sales of that particular product category. But if you have been asked to find out only the last 12 months sales data or only the last quarter data or maybe sometimes only the last month sales data, so how you're going to do that? So let's try to do that problem here. So let me go to Power BI desktop. So what I wanna what I'm going to do is I'm just getting the data here. So I'll just get the data here. So the data is being loaded. You need to click this three sheet here and load it. Here we go. Now it is loading here, and after some time it will show all the sheets information on the right hand side of this Power BI desktop. Yeah, so now you can see here orders, date, returns or returns, and users. These three sheets appearing here. Now the problem is I need to find last 12 months sales data for a product category. So for that I will just take this table format here. So in table I will select product category. It is showing there are three category, right? Office space, technology, or four category. Yeah, three category: furniture, office space, office supplies, and technology. Okay. Now in the right hand side I want the sum of sales first. So I'll click on sum of sales here. It will show you this is the sum of sales for furniture, this is for office supplies and technology. Maybe I can increase the size of this text so that it can be visible properly. So let me also increase the size here. Go to format, visual, values. I hope this is clear. Yeah, so now pretty clear here. All this technology area or the product category: furniture, office supplies, technology, and this is the sum of sales. Now the question here is we need to find out last 12 months data. It means this particular sales is not for last 12 months, right? It is for the entire the sheet, the entire Excel sheet, whatever the data or the sales available in the sheet or in the column. It is adding everything here and showing here, but I need only the sales data from last quarter or last 12 months. So in such case, we need to use a measure. We need to use a DAX function called dates in period. So let's do that. So I'll create one measure here. So this is, I'm finding out last 12 months. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'll use the calculate function. Is asking the expression and then filter option. Okay. So in expression, first I want the sum of sales. So we have something called sales data. So I'm calculating sum of sales first, and from that I want only the last 12 months. Here it comes the filter option. In filter, I am using the function called dates in period. It's asking the dates. So my date is, I am taking the date as a order date. So I have ship date. I have, okay, I have ship date, right? Yeah, it is ship date, not order date. Ship date and start date. Start date is your, to use the, now it's asking the start date. So you have to choose the maximum value of shipping date. So it is the maximum value of shipping date. Okay. Then you have to put minus 12 is 12 months interval. Start date, then number of intervals. So here minus 12 comma, whether it's a month, day, quarter or year, that number you have to put. So I'm taking the last 12 months, I'm putting 12 months here, then enter. So now the result came here, last 12 months. If you click here and here I have to, okay, I need to select this one, and after clicking here I need to select last 12 months so that it will be visible here. So this is the data for last 12 months. And now if you want to change this to quarter, it means you want last quarter information, you can change that to 3. So every year there are 4 quarters, each having 3 months, right? So then it will give you last quarter, last information. So I changed just 12 to 3. So it is the last quarter sales data. I hope this is very clear, and if you have any questions, please write in comments. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much.